All right, fuel pump installation. We letting it prime up a few times.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we changing these shits. I don't know what the hell. Yeah, we changing them. Rob gonna be looking at this shit like, what? These niggas talking about my grips.
Priming a new fuel pump. Fresh new fuel pump on there, people.
All right. Let you had honors. Give it a start and see what it do.
Right.
Big money, no whammies.
Here we go.
We close.
Come on, baby.
God damn it.
Come on, baby.
Skeleton will be back on these streets. Nice, nice. The bike was starving.
This nigga pick up his, oh my god. I feel the difference.
Yeah.
He crisp as a motherfucking nine.
Yeah.
My takeoff ain't sluggish no more. Like my takeoff will be sluggish in first gear. This motherfucker trying to go now. I took off right there when I turned that motherfucker. He went straight into it. He ain't slug or nothing.
That's what I said. This
I can feel the difference. He don't feel like he's sluggish no more. Before he felt like he was weighted down and shit.
Yeah.
This motherfucker getting up.